How to pin someone on Snapchat Android. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how you can easily pin someone on Snapchat on your Android phone. Please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if this video helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. The pin feature was previously only available to iPhone Snapchat users, but it is now also available to Android users. So update your Snapchat app if it's not updated. Then open the app, go to chat, then tap and hold the person you want to pin. Under Manage Friendship, you will find chat settings. Tap on it, then tap on Pin Conversation and tap on Add Automatically. Now this person is pinned on your home screen. Tap on Done and go to the home screen. Here you will find the person you have pinned. You can now chat with this person directly without opening Snapchat. So this is how to pin someone on Snapchat Android. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks.